Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! Here's how to get verified on Threads. Now, you might have just downloaded and saw the new app called Threads, and you maybe want to be verified. Let's say have that little blue check mark. I'll show you all the steps that you have to do to get that. So, first, let's hop into the Threads app here, and you can see a bunch of these different accounts are verified. It has the blue check mark here, just like this one. Now, if I tap on my profile at the bottom right, you can see I don't have that blue check mark, which means I am not verified on here. But if I wanted to be verified, the key is you cannot do it here on the Threads app. You actually have to go over to the Instagram app because basically the two of them are linked together. So if you're verified on Instagram, you will also be verified on Threads. So yeah, let's do that. Let's click on this Instagram icon on the upper right and it will open up our Instagram. Just tap on the profile button at the bottom right and then those three lines at the top right. Now you can see towards the bottom there is a button saying Meta Verified. So let's go ahead and tap on that. And this will show you basically how you get verified in Instagram. Keep in mind though that you have to pay for this. So let's try to hit on next, and as you can see on Instagram, I can hit this sign up button and then it will actually give a prompt which will offer you the different prices and plans that it offers. Usually you have to pay around $14.99 per month, but if you want to do that, then all you have to do is pay for it and then you can get the blue tick mark. That's actually it. That is how we get verified on Threads.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.